Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in part 103 of Microsoft Certified Associate series. So far we have completed 178 questions in previous videos. Today we are going to look into question number 179. Question 179. You have an Azure subscription named subscription 1 that contains the resources shown in the following table. We do have three resource group, RG1, RG2 and RG3, and resource group 1 location is East US, resource group 2 location is West Europe, and resource group 3 location is North Europe. VNet1 is a virtual network located in Central US and under the resource group 1. VM1 is a virtual machine located in West US region and member of resource group 2. Subscription 1 also includes a virtual network named VNet2. VM1 connects to virtual network named VNet2 by using a network interface NIC1. You need to create a new network interface named NIC2 for virtual machine 1. If you notice in this question, resource group 3 is not used and VNet1 is not used. Further, 3 version of this question is available over the internet. The first solution is you create NIC2 in RG1 and West US location. Solution 2, you create NIC2 in RG2 and Central US location. Solution 3, you create NIC2 in RG2 and West US location. Let's go to learn.microsoft.com to identify which solution can meet the goal. We are in virtual networks and virtual machines in Azure page on learn.microsoft.com. We'll scroll down. We are in network interface section. A network interface is interconnection between virtual machine and virtual network. A virtual machine must have at least one network interface card. A virtual machine can have more than one network interface card depending on the size of virtual machine you create. You can create virtual machine with multiple network interface cards and add or remove the network interface card through the life cycle of virtual machine. Multiple network interface cards allow a virtual machine to connect to different subnets. Each network interface card attached to virtual machine must exist in same location and subscription as the virtual machine. Each network interface card must be connected to a virtual network that exists in the same Azure location and subscription as the network interface card. Therefore, location and subscription of virtual machine, network interface card and virtual network must be the same. Let's understand it further from a diagram. In this diagram, we can see a virtual machine is having a network interface card, and network interface card is associated with a virtual network. It has a subnet with the subnet 1. Further, network interface card can associate with a network security group, and network interface card will have private and public IP addresses associated with it. As per the documentation site, the location for virtual network, network interface card and virtual machine must be the same. Let's go back to question. Therefore, our virtual machine location is West US and in solution 1 NIC location is West US and in solution 3 NIC location is West US as well. Therefore, solution 1 and solution 3 can meet the goal, and the answer for first solution and the third solution will be yes. And for the second solution, where the NIC2 is in Central US location, which is not the same location as the virtual machine, therefore the answer for second solution would be no. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.